Hey guys, so in today's video I will be showing you how you can change language in Flixier app. So let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, you need to have your subtitles. So that I covered in previous video, how you can add them into it. When you have them, and if you want to change the language on or translate, uh, you will need to go here. On the right side, you will see here style, subtitle, and translate. So go here to the translate, and you will see here the tab add new language. Click on that, and now you can choose which language you want to add. So let's go, for example, and I will give, it doesn't matter, Irish one. And then when you select your language, just hit translate to Irish, and it will take some time, but eventually it will be translated into the Irish language, which you choose. You choose maybe different one, but right here doesn't matter. And yeah, now how to manage with this language? You can use here this I symbol that you can toggle between original and this language which you added, or you can download the new version when it will be ready. You will see here three dots as like you see here with original, and you can download subtitles. And that's basically it. This is how you can change language in Flixier app. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.